Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Art. So let's write down the IUPAC name of the complex compound. As you can see on the screen, two compounds are there. Okay. So first one is CuNH3 4 SO4. So here you can see that this CuNH3 4 makes the complex ion which is positive, and SO4 is a counter ion. Okay, so here the complex ion is positively charged. So as we need to write down first the name of positive, and so we will write down first the name of this complex ion. And here you can see that our copper metal is there and the ligand is NH3. So what is the name for NH3? NH3 is known as an amine, and total 4 ammonias are there. So for 4 we can write tetra. So let me write tetra. NH3, as I told you, it is known as an amine. Tetra amine. And then after, because of this is a positive charge complex ion, so we will write the name of the metal ion as it is. So we will write copper without leaving a space. And the most important thing, we need to write down the oxidation number of the copper in a bracket. So what is the oxidation number of copper? Here you can see that the SO4 is negatively charged, so its charge will be 2 minus. So this complex ion will be the positively charged and its charge will be plus 2. And this is the ammonia as a ligand, which is a neutral ligand. So whatever charge of positive ion have, it will goes to the copper central metal atom. So here the charge of the metal ion will be plus 2 charge. So copper 2 we need to write. Okay. And then after, last the name of the ion, which is counter ion, and after leaving a space, we'll write it as a sulfate. Okay. So this is how we can write down the name of positively charged complex ion. And here the second example, it is negatively charged complex ion. You can see that K4FeCN6, in which FeCN6 is in a square bracket, so it is complex ion, and K4 is a counter ion. We know that the positively charged we have to write down first, and that's why here we will write the name of counter ion, which is nothing but it's a potassium. Remember, here we will not write down the tetra potassium. Whenever we are writing counter ion, you just need to write down the name of that ion. So here the potassium will write potassium, then after a space. Okay. And after the space, we need to write down the name of complex ion as per law. And here you can see that this is Cn. Okay. So Cn is a cyanide ligand and it is negatively charged ligand. So whenever the negatively charged ligand is present, we need to write down its name, and then after we have to finish its name with O. Okay. So here cyano will write, cyanide is there, we can also write cyanito, or we'll write cyano. Okay. And total 6 are there. So for 6 we'll write hexa, okay, cyano, and without leaving space the name of the Fe. But here the most important thing is the name of the metal we have to finish with ATE. This is a rule. When we will write the metal name, and if the complex ion is negatively charged, we have to finish the metal name with ATE. So here Fe will name as a ferrite. Okay. So we'll write farad. Here you can see that I have finished the name with ATE. For example, If another metal is there, for example, if it is zinc, then we will write zincate. Okay, so here the hexa sign of farad, and the last thing we need to write down the oxidation number after the name, and the oxidation number means after name means after the name of the metal. So Fe will have charge, we have to calculate. So here K4 means the whole charge of the negative ion is 4 minus, and Cn is having -1 charge. Total 6 Cn are there, so charge of Fe will be +2. Means here the metal ion will get positive charge. So this is how you can write down the names, IUPAC names of the complex ion, positive ion and negative ion.